we are going to learn finger picking. I'm going to kind of take it in 4 stages. I'm going to use just these 3 fingers, the thumb, the index, and the middle. The first phase, okay, and when I say phase, there's basically, we're going to try to set up 4 separate practice sessions. So once you get comfortable with phase 1, move on to phase 2, and you'll build that muscle memory and that agility. First of all, we're going to hold a C chord, and the bass note is on the A string, so we're going to put the thumb on the A string, and that's the only string it's going to play. The middle finger is going to go on the B string, the index on the G string. Okay, so we're really just playing those 3 strings. And it happens to just be 2 different notes, a C note and a G note. So it's basically a C5, but this is the beginning of kind of getting that articulation and that muscle memory and that dexterity. The pattern is going to be thumb, middle, thumb, index. Thumb, middle, thumb, index. Again, these 3 fingers are on, thumb's on the A, index is on the G, ring is on the B. So it's thumb, middle, thumb, index. So you're going to that thumb every other pluck. And practice this until you can speed it up. And that's phase 1. Okay? Now, we're only playing 2 notes, okay? We need a 3rd note because a major chord in this case, or even a minor chord, there's 3 notes in there. So to make it sound fuller and more like the chord, we need to employ, in the case of a C chord, we need an E note, okay? And the E note we're gonna pick up is here on the D string, okay? When we're holding a C chord, that's an E note. And what's gonna change here is the thumb's going to do a little bit more. This is phase 2. So here the thumb is going to, it's going to pluck every other pluck, okay? But it's going to alternate from the A string to the D string. And it'll sound like this. Okay? So you're playing the A string, okay? Index finger on the G string, then the thumb on the D string, and the middle finger on its B string. Okay, so real slowly. And just start at this speed until you can speed it up a little bit. This is how you'll build that muscle memory. Faster. That's what you want to get to. You want to be able to go. Okay, learn that pattern and you start to get that agility. And we're really just using those 3 fingers, okay? Let's move to phase 3. So with phase 3, the only thing that's going to change here from phase 2 is the middle finger, which was just plucking that B string. You can alternate from plucking the B string, and when the turn comes around again for that finger, you can pluck the high E. Now you can pluck it every other loop, or you can, maybe do it every 4th loop, okay? So something like this. Real slow. lot of things you can do, but you'll slowly get some of that dexterity with that middle finger going from playing just the B string to every once in a while going over to that E string, because that E string is an E note, so it adds, to a C chord. Learn that pattern. Now let's try a G chord. So with a G chord, okay, the bass note is on that low E string, or an E chord, the bass note is on that low E. So what the thumb needs to do in this final phase, we'll call this phase 4, and we'll hold a G chord. The thumb, I guess the first time, it can play that 6th string or the E string or the G note. Middle finger on that B. Then the thumb can either play the A string or the D string before you go to the index. So it's thumb, middle, thumb, okay? So in this phase, there's a lot of things that you can do. The index finger remains just assigned to the G string, okay, that 3rd string. But the thumb can alternate between the 6th string, right, or the G note, the D string, or the A string. And the middle finger can alternate between the B string, and just like we learned in the last phase, you can go and grab that E string, which is a G note as well. So learn those picking patterns, but take it one stage at a time, and you'll find yourself with much more dexterity, more muscle memory, and you'll be able to do more things. You can employ other fingers, but I say start with these 3. Start with just playing 3 strings, slowly build up the speed, and then in the second phase, alternate that bass or that thumb, okay, between 2 strings, and play the C chord. Okay, and then phase 3, start to employ this middle finger, not only playing the B string, but grabbing the E string every once in a while. Okay, you'll hear a pattern. Okay, and then in the 4th phase, go to a G chord, or you can play an E chord. Good luck.